In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add different headers on different pages on Wix. This is a great way to customize the look and feel of your site, making it unique for various sections or pages. Whether you're running a personal blog or a small business site, having distinct headers can really help in branding and user experience. Let's get started with these simple steps. First, head over to Wix Studio and select My Site. This is your main control panel where you can manage all the aspects of your website, so getting familiar with it is essential. Once you've accessed your site editor, the fun begins. Next, on the left side of the interface, you'll find a button labeled Add Elements. Click on it. This feature is your go-to hub for adding new components to your website. From text and images to more intricate features, this menu has it all. In our case, we're focusing on headers, so keep your eyes peeled for the relevant options. Now navigate to Sections from the submenu. Sections are foundational elements in Wix, designed to help with structuring your web pages cleanly and effectively. Once you're there, you'll want to specifically look for headers. This area is where you can manage different header styles, sizes, and functionalities that are available to integrate into your site. Choose a header that suits your needs. There are numerous templates and styles available, so take your time to browse through them. Consider how each header's design aligns with the aesthetics and function of your particular page. The goal is to ensure every aspect of your site remains cohesive while also standing out on its own. With your first header chosen and ready, you'll want to add more variation to other pages. Head back to the Add Elements menu, return to Headers, and select a different header for another page. This repetition is key to personalizing each page uniquely without straying too far from your site's overall design theme. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily implement different headers on different pages of your Wix website, creating a more engaging and organized experience for your visitors. This customization tactic is not only visually appealing, but also strategic in helping guide your audience through your content naturally. Feel free to experiment with various header options until you find the perfect fit for each page. Remember, the more time you invest in getting it just right, the better your site will perform and reflect your brand. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing on Wix!